Alright, welcome back to part 3 of this build. Now, I was able to punch out some of the windows to finish one side. The only issue is, it is different tooling. So if we go to try and pop one in here, we can see that it doesn't quite fit right. However, something is better than nothing, and for the other side we are going to try to do something a little different. I have some material that I can try and cut to make windows. So we're going to try and do that. Hoping I have enough glue for this. This is the stuff I typically use. It's getting a bit stiff. Hoping I have enough to actually do this. Thankfully on this one, we actually only need 4 of these instead of 5 like I had thought. Okay. Alright, so I am going to gently try to get these in place and hopefully get them somewhat centered. Is it a little annoying that they're not the same windows? Yes, but something is always better than nothing. Just taking a look here from beneath. Trying to get them as even as I can, but I know that they will move around a little bit. How it is, but okay. And like I said, they're going to move around a little bit. That's just how it is. Now, when you're using glue, you want it to be, see if I can remember how I typically do this. You want it, do not use white glue. White glue, you are going to have do not use super glue. There we go. This stuff is extra tacky right now. Yep, hold on. 1 second. Okay, so that glue, it actually completely dried up and evaporated. So I am going to try white glue. As I was trying to say before, do not use crazy glue, is what I was trying to say, because crazy glue puts off fumes, and the fumes will fog up your windows. Now, I don't know if this glue puts out fumes or not. I don't think so. So it should be alright. I've never actually tried this stuff for modeling, but does seem popular for crafts. Well, give me 1 second here. Okay, here we go. It seems I finally got something to work here. I'm just trying to very gently put it in between. In the corners, these are probably a little big. See if I can clean some of this up here. Okay. While that is hopefully drying, I have some of this stuff. This is like a clear plastic sheet. It's a little thin, but I have used this for windows before and it's come out okay. So what we're going to do here is I'm going to try to cut an even strip. Try and cut a long, even strip. Trying to do my best. No idea if that's even at all. It's probably not, but I can tell you it's not right now, actually, but should be able to get a window strip out of it. And that we can. Plus track. We want to cut that right about there. Okay. It won't look like the other side. It won't. But it should work. And then just gonna come over here. Cut one for that too. Okay. And then for the end piece, we're also going to go ahead and swap out this one, which was on the one of the bad cars from part 1. We're going to swap it out for this one. This was on the Windows donor here, and it just looks a little bit nicer, just a little bit. So we're going to go ahead and try and put this end on. And yeah, that is going to be it for part 3. This is part 3. This is going to be it for part 3. I'm going to let this dry. I'm going to go ahead and get the other windows in. Did I just lose? I might have just lost the window for that, but that's fine because we still have this extra bit here. Oh, goodness. But yeah. I'll find that somewhere. Hopefully. But yeah, that's going to be it for this one. Part 4. The windows will be in. And we should be able to finish this car off. And then I will have 7. I have bought 4 of them. No, sorry, 6 of them since the last part. So yes, this will be the 7th one. It's actually why I'm kind of doing this project, because I want to be able to throw this into the fleet with the rest of them. So yeah, that's going to be it for this one. Hope you guys enjoyed, and we will see you in the next one. Have a good one, guys.